Are you trying to decide between OpenSUSE and Fedora? You're not alone. Many people want to know which Linux distribution is better for their needs. In this video, we'll compare OpenSUSE and Fedora. Both are popular choices for Linux users, but they have some key differences. Both OpenSUSE and Fedora are powerful operating systems. They are built for developers and users who want a solid Linux experience. You can find a lot of software and tools on both platforms. Let's start with OpenSUSE. It has two main versions, Leap and Tumbleweed. Leap is stable and great for users who prefer reliability. Tumbleweed is a rolling release, meaning it gets updates continuously. OpenSUSE is known for its user friendly interface and strong community support. Now, let's look at Fedora. It focuses on innovation and cutting edge features. Fedora is often the first to include the latest software and technologies. It has a clean and modern design, making it easy to use. Fedora also has several editions like Workstation for developers and Server for enterprise use. When it comes to differences, OpenSUSE is more stable while Fedora is more up to date. If you want a reliable system, OpenSUSE Leap is a good choice. If you prefer the latest features, go for Fedora. In terms of features, both offer package management systems and great community support. OpenSUSE uses Zipper, while Fedora uses DNF. Both have strong software repositories. Pricing is simple. Both distributions are free to use. You can download them without any cost. In conclusion, if you need stability, choose OpenSUSE. If you want the latest tech, pick Fedora. Both are excellent, but it depends on what you need. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more comparisons like this.